How to set up C++ on VS Code. So let's begin. So here is the 4 steps. So you have to follow that to run C++ program. So let's start. So our first step should be download MinGW compiler. So let's download MinGW compiler. So you can use any of the browser. I am using Google. So let's start. So MinGW compiler, search it. Okay, there's the first link, then click it, and then the green button, then you should click that. Okay, yes. So here is the main question, what is compiler? So compiler is a converter. It converts high level language into machine codes, means binary codes 0 and 1. Machine knows 0 and 1. MinGW compiler is download. So let's set up our MinGW compiler. So let's go. So first install, continue, then check the path and continue. Then it's take 2 or 3 seconds to open it. Then in the here you have to select first one, you can select second one, then last third. Okay, G++. Okay, setting. Now the main thing, you have to apply changes, then apply changes. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes it takes. I think it's downloaded. So here is the main point to note down, that you have to select the path of the MinGW and copy it to in environment variable. So first go to .exe file and click MinGW, then bin, then copy the path, then come back and search environment variables. Okay, then go to environment variables, then environment variable select. Okay, then path, double tap. Okay, then create a new path, then copy that, paste that path, and then okay, your path is ready to. How to check that our G++ or a compiler should install? So go to terminal and type G++ space version, then you will showing that G++ is active. So our next step should be download VS Code. So let's open the browser and type download VS Code. Then there's the first link, click it and download the VS Code, and wait a few seconds, then open it and then set up your VS Code. So let's set up the VS Code. Okay, next. Yes, we have to select it, creating desktop icon. Okay, let's wait for 2 or 3 seconds it takes. Then okay, your VS Code is finally downloaded. Now the main thing is to run our first program, because it is so easy to run our first program. So be in video, like, share and subscribe. Let's go. That you have to first create a file like hello.cpp. cpp is the extension of C++. So let's create it, and you must check that you have C++ extension and the run code extension. So you must download. I have downloaded it. So let's write our first program. So first hashtag include iostream. Okay, it's the header file, and then int main. Okay, and write, then cout. Okay, if cout is taking error, I am missing the user namespace std. Okay, type here user namespace std, then cout, then hello world. Okay, type hello world, then return 0. Let's check it's running or not. Okay, oh boom, it's running on terminal. You see the hello icon, hello world. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe. Love you all.